Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. In this video we are going to study formula method. That is, here it is written here, formula for solving a quadratic equation. Now what is formula method? We know that standard form of quadratic equation is, what is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form or is the general equation, right, is the general equation of quadratic form, then if we want factors of that by formula, then one formula is given. That formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now this x means we get factors, roots we get. We get roots x, and here are abc values. What are abc's here? We know, where a, b, c are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. But one condition is there, that this a should not be equal to 0. If we take a0, then it becomes linear equation here in one variable. It is not quadratic. Therefore a does not equal to 0. That is the condition. Remember that a, B, C are real, a should not be equal to 0, and it will not given in example a0. Okay. A is coefficient of first terms. What is A? A is coefficient of x square. What is B? B is coefficient of x, second term, and C is constant term, means last term. In this way, these are ABCs. Formula is this. By formula now, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and we get abc values by comparing given equation with this. One equation will be given. Suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. If we compare this equation with standard form, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. In this way, it is very easy. After getting these three values, put all values in this formula, and by solving we get root, means x value. It is very easy. Okay, let's start practice set. Now in practice set 2.4, practice set 2.4 is based on formula method. First question is, compare the given quadratic equations to general form. Now general form, ax square plus bx plus c. If variable is changed, according to that we can change general form. And write the values of ABC. ABC are a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant. Okay. Now here are three examples are given. Let's start from first. Now first equation. Now equation is this: x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is the given equation. Compare, here it is said, compare this with general form. They start by comparing this equation, x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 with standard form or general form, and general form is here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get, and here we get answer. We get three values. A is equal to, now what is A? A means coefficient of x square. A is coefficient of x square in given equation. In this equation, coefficient of x square is 1, and this is the value of A. Here we get A is equal to 1. B is equal to, B coefficient of x here minus 7 with sign. Okay, here, and c is equal to, c means constant, and here constant is plus 5, means 5 here. In this way we got three values of a, b and c. It is very easy. Second example is here. 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. It is given equation, but this equation is not in general form. This equation is not in the form of standard form, right? In standard form we want is equal to 0. On the right side we want is equal to 0. If some terms are on the right side, you switch them, you transfer them to the left side. Now here bring these two terms, switch these two terms or transfer these two terms to left side. When we transfer, their sign will change. Here plus 5m, it will become minus 5. It is minus 5, it becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. Now it is standard form, right? In form of m. What is variable here? M. Therefore comparing this, we can write here now comparing with what is standard form now? am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Only variable will change. First and second term, abc don't change. Abc are real, okay? Because here variable is m. Now what do we get? We get a is equal to, now a coefficient of m square 2, a is equal to 2. B coefficient of m with sign minus 5. C constant plus 5. I write only 5. C here. Comparing with general form, we got ABC values. Third example is here. Again you see this example, this equation is also not in standard form. Then how to write here? Therefore y square, bring or transfer this plus 7y here, it becomes minus 7y, right? Is equal to 0. But again you see here are only two terms on left side, and in general form there are three terms, ax square plus bx plus c constant. Here ay square plus by plus c is not there. That's why you write this as, that is y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now here it is trinomial. See, if any term is missing except first, then you put their coefficient 0. Now compare this. Comparing with, now what is standard form in terms of y? Ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to, now a coefficient of y square 1, b coefficient of y minus 7, and c is equal to last 0. It was not given, no? We took their 0, so c is equal to 0. In this way, by comparing with general form, we can find values of a, b, c. Let's continue. Second question. Second question is solve using formula. Means by formula method we have to find roots of these equations. Now we are given quadratic equation is here, x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0, and it is in standard form, it is in general form. By comparing, as we solved previous example, previous question, first question, by that method find out ABC values first, right? Now comparing ax square plus bx, given equation is this. Comparing x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0 with standard form, right? With standard form. What is standard form in terms of x now? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing given equation with standard form, we get three values. We get ABC values. A is equal to coefficient of x square 1, right? A. B is equal to coefficient of x 6. C is constant, last term 5. Now till here, that is the method of previous example. Comparing given equation with general form, we get ABC values. Okay, after that we have to find square root of b square minus 4ac. Square root of b square minus 4ac, because this term is the part of formula. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. That's why you find out that value first, b square minus 4ac. Now put three values here. B square, b is 6 bracket square, minus 4 multiplied by a value is 1, multiplied by c value is 5. Here 4ac means multiply. These three are multiplied, three terms are multiplied. Now solve this. 6 square 36 minus 4 5s are 20, right? 4 5s are 20, 21s are 20, is equal to square root of 36 minus 20, 16, and 16 is perfect square, that's why we can take its square root 4. In this way we got square root of b square minus 4ac value. Now write formula. By the formula. Now here formula method. By the formula. What is formula? Variable is x. That's why we have to write x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You learn the formula. Okay, x is equal to, here variable is y, then y is equal to, here m is m square, then you write m is equal to, right? Root should be in that variable. So here x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And now we have to put values. Here I continue. Therefore x is equal to, now I put value minus, this minus sign is off from the formula, minus, what is b value? 6, minus 6 plus minus, here you see, and this whole square root value is 4, therefore here 4 upon 2 multiplied by 1. X is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 4 upon 2. Now here what we have to do, here don't reduce by 2 to 6, 2 3s are or 2 2s are, don't do like that, because here is plus sign, plus minus sign between them. If it is multiply, you can reduce. Now we have to separate two values with plus minus, separate them. Okay, with these two, x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2, see, plus and minus now, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. These two ratios are separated with plus minus. Once plus is taken and second time minus, second value, not first is here minus 6, and now you solve it. X is equal to minus 6 plus 4, how much? Minus 2 upon 2, or what is here, x is equal to minus 4 minus 10 minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 upon 2, and now here x is equal to minus 2 upon 2. If we reduce, I write here x is equal to, we get minus 1, or x is equal to, if we solve here, minus 10 by 2 minus 5. So these are the roots. Therefore at last you write down the roots of equation are minus 1 and minus 5. Example number 2, solve by formula, and it is in general form, that's why we can write, we can compare directly. Comparing x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 with what is standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get, what do we get here? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, here you see second, and c is equal to minus 2, constant, last term. After that find out square root of b square minus 4ac value. square root of b square minus 4ac, because we want this term in the formula. Now b value is minus 3, therefore minus 3 bracket square minus 4 multiplied by a value 1 and c value minus 2 is equal to square root of minus 3 square 9. Now here you see these three numbers are multiplied with each other, therefore here minus minus plus 4 2s are 8 and addition is here 17. It is prime, that's why not perfect square, prime number. You keep this value as it is. Okay, now by the formula, now write formula. What is variable? X. X is equal to minus b plus minus and square root value here. First write formula, b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put values. X is equal to minus, what is b value? Minus 3. So this minus sign is from the formula and b value again minus in bracket. Plus or minus, this root value directly you put here, root 17 upon 2 multiplied by a value is 1. Write these values correctly. Now let's solve this. Here I continue. Therefore, x is equal to minus minus plus 3 plus minus root 17 upon 2 ones are 2. Now here what to do? Now take separate values. Do separation with plus minus. X is equal to 3 plus root 17 upon 2 or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Okay, separation. So x is equal to, now here we have separated values. Here is 3 is rational, it is irrational. We cannot add these numbers. Here also same, we cannot subtract these numbers, and therefore we got here last answer in this form only. We cannot solve it further. So the roots of equation are, the roots of equation are 3 plus root 17 upon 2 and 3 minus root 17 upon 2. It is the solution. Now let's see example number 3. It is in general form, that's why we can compare directly. Comparing 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0 with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Now see here, variable is m, that's why we change general form. Here we took variable m, am square. In place of x we wrote m, am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. We get 3 values. We get abc values. A is equal to 3, coefficient of m square, b coefficient of m 2 and c constant minus 7 with sign. In this way we got ABC values. Now find out square root value. Square root of b square minus 4ac is equal to square root of b value 2 bracket square minus 4 multiplied by a is 3 now and multiplied by c is minus 7. Let's find this value. 2 square 4 minus minus plus, and here product of these three numbers. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21, 21 4s are 84, right? And the root of this is 88. It is not prime. Therefore, if we factorize it, we can write it as 4 into 22, right? 4 is perfect square. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and its value we square root of 4 take outside, 2 root 22. It is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now by the formula, write down formula. Variable is m now, therefore here also you write down m is equal to, right side is same, plus minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. It is right side. Here is no change. Now I continue this side. Now put values. Therefore m is equal to minus, what is b value? B value is 2, minus 2 plus minus, what is square root value? 2 root 22. 2 root 22 upon 2 multiplied by a, what is a value? 3. Therefore here m is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 root 22 upon 6. Now what we have to do? Separation. Separate values. Before that, here you see, here is 2, here is 2. Right? Before separation, here one more extra step is there. Here is 2, here is 2. That's why we can take 2 common from these numbers. Therefore m is equal to, if we take 2 common in bracket, now here 2 is taken out, therefore what is left there in the bracket? Minus 1 plus minus, this 2 is taken out, it is come out, therefore what is left in the bracket? Root 22 divided by 6. M is equal to, next step, now see here 2 multiplied by this bracket, 2 multiply, therefore we can reduce here by 2, 2 ones are, 2 threes are, and what is left now? Write down minus 1 plus minus root 22 upon 3. And now separation at last. M is equal to minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3. Upon 3 will be as it is there, or m is equal to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. And therefore right at last the roots of equation are minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 and minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. Now example number 4. It is also in general form, therefore comparing 5m square minus 4m minus 2 with standard form am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 5 first coefficient, b is equal to minus 4 second, c is equal to minus 2 third. ABC values. After that root value b square minus 4ac, square root of b value minus 4 bracket square minus 4 multiplied by a value 5, c value minus 2 is equal to square root of minus 16, here square of minus 4, square of minus 4 16, here minus minus plus, here product 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40 is equal to, what do we get here? 56. Then 56 we can split as 4 into 13. No? Can we divide by 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Right? And if we take square root of 4 outside, then 2 root 14. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now by the formula, write down formula, variable m. Now therefore m is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore minus, what is b value? B value is negative, minus 4 in bracket write down, plus minus, what is root value? Root value is 2 root 14 upon 2 multiplied by, what is a value? A value is 5. Okay, now solve this. Therefore m is equal to, now here you see minus minus plus 4 plus minus 2 root 14 as it is upon 10. Next step, m is equal to, what to do? If I ask what to do, you will say separate. Yes, separation you do, but before that you see that can we take common in the numerator. Before separation you have to see can we take common or not. If yes, you take common out. Here is 4 and here is 2. We can take 2 common. If we take 2 common, from 4 2 is out, 2 inside, plus minus. This 2 is already outside. Only root 14 is left in the bracket upon 10. M is equal to, now 2 is outside and here is 10. We can reduce here. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. 2 plus minus root 14 upon 5. And now separation. m is equal to 2 plus root 14 upon 5 first value, first root this is, or m is equal to 2 minus root 14 upon 5 second. So the roots of equation are 2 plus root 14 upon 5 and 2 minus root 14 upon 5. That statement you write at last. Example number 5. Now before comparing, you see that it is not in standard form. Therefore we have to convert this into standard form. Therefore I write again given equation as it is. Now here is upon 3. 3 is in the denominator. If you don't want this 3 in the denominator, multiply by 3 to all. Here, here and here. If you multiply by 3 here, we get 3y square. Plus if you multiply by 3, 3 cancel, only y is left there. Is equal to, if you multiply by 3, 3 2s are 6. Here you can give support, multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. And now this 6 bring here, transfer order. Therefore 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this equation is in standard form. Now compare with general. Comparing with, we can write directly now. Comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get, variable is y, that's why in general form we wrote y here. We get a is equal to 3, first coefficient, b is equal to 1, second coefficient, c is equal to third minus 6. These are ABC values. Now root value, root b square minus 4ac is equal to, find out, b value is 1 bracket square, minus 4 multiplied by a value 3 multiplied by c value minus 6 is equal to square root of 1 square 1 plus minus minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 6s are 72, and here root 73 addition. Root 73 is prime, that's why we cannot factorize it by the formula. Here I continue by the formula. Now formula you know. What is variable here? Y. Therefore I write y is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac. When you will solve examples, then automatically it will be learned. Now put values. Minus, what is b value? B value 1, so minus 1 plus minus root 73 upon 2 multiplied by, what is a value? A value 3 is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 73 upon 6. Can we take common in the numerator? No, that's why separate values now. Y is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or this is first value, y is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6, it is second value. So therefore the roots of equation are, you write these two values. Let's see example number 6 now, where we can compare directly with the standard form, general form. Comparing 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0 with standard form. What is standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get three values. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 13, c is equal to 8. Okay. Now root value, root b square minus 4ac is equal to square root of b value 13 minus 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to square root of 13 square 169 minus, now here product, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 8 160 is equal to square root of 169 minus 169, and it is perfect square, value is 3. Now by the formula, formula you know, what is variable? X. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So put values. x is equal to minus, what is b value? B value 13, minus 13 plus minus, and this root value is 3 upon 2 multiplied by, what is a value? A value is 5. X is equal to minus 13 plus minus 3 upon 10. What we have to do? We have to separate, because common we cannot take. X is equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Now is equal to addition subtraction rule. Different sign subtraction, higher value sign minus 10 upon 10. Minus 13 plus 3, minus 13 plus 3, minus 10 upon 10, or x is equal to different, here same sign addition 16, higher value sign minus upon 10. Now if we reduce here, I write here values, x is equal to, if we reduce here we get minus 1, or x is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Therefore the roots of equation are minus 1 and minus 8 by 5. Dear friends, now last question of this practice set, question number 3. It is said here, with the help of flow chart given below. Now what is given here in textbook? It is given just what to do. Steps are given. First step, compare this equation with general form. Then second step is given, find values of ABC. Then it is given, use formula. Then it is given, put values. Then it is given, find values of. Now these are the steps of our solution, we know that. Okay, that's why that flow chart I don't write on the board. Generally if we follow our steps, we get each and every step. Now first compare, it is in general form, therefore we can compare, comparing x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get ABC values. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 3, see here it is b value 2 root 3, c is equal to 3. By comparing we got ABC. Second step is given there, write the formula, but before that we want root value. Root b square minus 4ac is equal to square root of b value 2 root 3 bracket square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3. Square root of 2 root 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 12 0, and root of 0 is 0. We got 0 here. By the formula, now variable is x, that's why x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now put values. Therefore x is equal to minus, what is b value? B value is 2 root 3 plus minus, what is root value? Root value is 0 upon 2 multiplied by, what is a value? A value is 1. X is equal to minus 2 root 3. Now here you see plus minus, plus 0 or minus 0. Does it affect on that value? No. Therefore no need to write plus minus here. Upon 2 ones are 2. Finish. Here we don't get 2 roots. Here we get only 1 root. Okay, remember that when you get value of square root 0, then you get only 1 value, and therefore at that time you don't write roots of equation r don't write, we get only 1. That's why the root of equation is minus 2 root 3 upon 2. In this way we completed practice set 2.4 that was based on formula method.